What are these plants? They grow to about 10 to 12 feet and are spreading. And this is Ray. Well, guess what, Ray? That's what we call giant reed.
Oh,
giant reed. Almost looks like bamboo.
A bamboo,
right?
okay.
Loves to grow in wet soils, loves warm climates. It is a clump-forming grass.
Okay.
It grows by rhizomes. It has a plume-like flower cluster. Can be very invasive.
What's it is invasive?
Can be very invasive.
Take over, huh?
Right, it can take over.
Okay,
Again, wet soils.
Wet soil, okay.
Right, so you see it around a lot of pond areas, any area that's pretty much wet. It will take it over. So beware, Ray. But that's what it is, called giant reed. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.